Having issues with your Ninebot scooter, can't connect to the app, or seeing constant errors? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to factory reset any Ninebot scooter. Let's get started. Step 1. Power off the scooter. The first step to resetting your scooter is to turn it off completely. Press and hold the power button to shut it down. Make sure there are no lights on the display. Step 2. Press 3 buttons simultaneously. Now for the most important part. You need to press and hold 3 buttons: the brake lever, the accelerator or throttle, and the power button, all at the same time. You might want to use both hands to make it easier. Step 3. Wait for the signal. Keep holding the buttons down. After about 3 to 5 seconds, you will hear a beep and see a red light flash on the display. This is the reset signal. Step 4. Release the buttons. As soon as you hear the beep and see the red light, immediately let go of all 3 buttons. Your scooter is now ready to factory reset. Step 5. Restart the scooter. After releasing the buttons, the scooter might restart on its own. If it doesn't, just press the power button to turn it back on. Your scooter has now been fully factory reset. See, it was that simple. Now, all of your scooter's previous settings have been erased, and it's back to its default factory settings, just like new. All you have to do now is open the Segway Ninebot app and reconnect your scooter. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more useful videos like this one. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.